Day to all. Today, July 15, 2021. We are at Pashupati for food distributing to poor and needy people. The person who helped through Gishitashi Doje, writer Shide Kunthabding, and the people who donated were Chultim Lama and Tenzin Kelsang family from Connecticut, $200. Sonam Yangzum from Connecticut, $150. Siring Lamo and Siring Chunjum from New York, $161. The total was US $511 to convert Nepali rupees 59,276 rupees. The amount spent in food 45,600, water 4,000, food 3,500, transportation charge 6,000, total 59,100.
Boblu.